Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Salesloft sequences to automate outbound follow-ups, full guide step by step clearly. To enable Salesloft sequences for automating outbound follow-ups, start by logging into your Salesloft account. Navigate to the Sequences tab on the left sidebar of your dashboard. Click on the Create New Sequence button to start a new sequence. Choose a name for your sequence that reflects the purpose of your outreach. Next, you'll want to define the cadence of your sequence. Add various steps such as emails, calls, and tasks by selecting the corresponding options. For each email step, write a compelling message that aligns with your outreach strategy. Ensure you customize your emails with placeholders for personalization, like the recipient's name. Set the timing for each step based on your follow-up strategy. You may opt to include wait periods between steps to avoid bombarding your prospects. Once your sequence steps are set up, review them for clarity and effectiveness. Save your sequence when you're satisfied with its structure and content. To activate your sequence, navigate back to the Sequences tab. Locate your newly created sequence in the list of available sequences. Click on the toggle switch to enable the sequence. Now, you can enroll contacts into your sequence. Choose contacts from your existing list or import new ones as needed. Select the newly created sequence from the drop-down menu. After enrolling contacts, your automated follow-ups are now ready to go. You can monitor the performance of your sequence from the dashboard. Analyze engagement metrics to refine your approach in the future. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.